Hello friends, welcome back to RD channel. Today we're going to review a mood journaling app which you can get easily on the App Store. But first, don't forget to subscribe. On the App Store you can get the Mood app, and it's a wonderful app as the research has shown that once you log your moods, you'll know over a period of time how your states of mind have been. Now when you click on set mood, you'll get a vast variety of moods and emoticons, icons available over here, and you can choose how you feel. Like I feel energized and excited on creating this video, so you can write in the details. You can also add location and add a picture. So we're gonna have making YouTube video. I can just write a note over here, and once you're done, click on the arrow, so it will log your mood. So this is how the mood gets logged up with the emoticons and your notes. If you add pictures and location, it will go on this thing. Now here is a snapshot of how your monthly moods change over a period of time, but since I have recorded only few, it does not show any pie diagrams. So what I'll be doing is I'll keep on adding more and more of the moods, and in the settings you will have send notifications, app color changes, and receive system messages. You can also add a passcode in this app. So we're going to log up many moods as and when. So I can just show you how the pie diagrams and how the analysis of your mood is done. And research has shown that once you log the moods, you get more aware of your states of mind and can improve your states of mind through self-help. And once we have logged it again, we'll check it, but still it's not showing. So we'll log more and more moods. Note that you are supposed to record your moods daily according to this app, and you may skip not to add a note or just add the emoticons as and when you require. So we are adding more and more moods, so we can see how the analysis of the mood this journaling app is done. The basic point is analysis. So there we have it, a wonderful graph is shown over here. So 5 moods have been recorded, and it classifies that whether it is positive or negative, and the kind of moods that are repeated in the form of pie diagram, and how much positive your mood is. So it's weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, and all time. All time means from the date you have started recording, it will show everything. So this is a wonderful graph, and it shows positivity and negativity in great detail. Thank you for watching RD channel.